Okay, hello there, fellow model railroaders. Just real quick, I did not devise this idea. It was just something I thought about last night in bed, and I just wanted to kind of share this with everybody. I'm sure this has been done long before I was doing it, but it seems to work pretty darn good. This is an Athearn blue box gondola that I just put together yesterday, and I was trying to figure out how I can weight it. Put the required amount of weight in it, and it weighed 3 ounces by itself, so without any added weight. It's supposed to weigh 4.3. So how did I do that? Well, I took some of this. This is really good stuff for decoders, for decoder installs. You can use it for pretty much anything. And I just took 1 square of this and I cut it in 4s, in quarters, and it fits perfectly in these little squares within the frame of this gondola. And then I squished it down using my tweezers and just a regular old blade screwdriver. And then I inserted these ball bearings in it until I got the proper weight. And now it actually weighs about 4.1, but I'm not going to worry about the other 2 tenths of an ounce. So this seems to work pretty good. It weighs 4.1 ounces, and I'm happy with that. So you just put this in, the putty, you put it in, and I squished it down and worked it down inside here with my pliers and my blade screwdriver. Got it down to where I like it. And then I came back with the tweezers and picked up one of these ball bearings and got about, well, I guess about 9 ball bearings approximately in each one of these squares, probably a little less, maybe a little more. And then I worked it, I pressed them into the putty with my blade screwdriver, and it seems to work really good. So if I flip this over real quick, and I'll sit down here real quick, you can't even see it. You can't even see the added weight. So this works out really good. I'm really happy with it. This car is fully certified. It's got Katie couplers, Katie steel wheels on it, and I did the 3-point suspension on it, and it's good to go. Now I'm just going to enter it in my car inventory, and it'll be on the layout working its heart out. Okay, that's it for now. Thanks for watching.